that job, you didn't make it out. What is all this happening in? When we do make it out, he's steady. Is that a big truck burning back there? Yeah, that's a big truck on fire back there. That's the one that I'm not crashing into.
Like 410 south, where's that?
Yeah, okay. That answers my question.
More south towards like the 10. Looks like over there where the 31 cuts over. That is a lot of fire, gentlemen.
What's going on, driver?
No, I'm about a half a block from it, and there's a lot of damn fire. They better get it under control quick, because not but a fourth of a mile from it, these big-ass oil tanks over to the right. Motiva? By the exit, or mile marker 31 on 410 south. What I'm hearing is a big tanker.
I'm down here at HEB, man. I can see the flames and the smoke. 410 southeast Florida.
It's still open right now, driver, but I don't think it's going to be open much longer. It's a lot of smoke and a lot of fire. I'm almost up on the bridge right now. There's a lot of damn fire coming up. I have no idea why they got this highway still open, man. That is a lot of damn, that fire is about 50 foot high up in the air.
Get your fuck on down there. We'll get there before they shut this shit down. Yeah, nobody ever seen a fire before or what?
Not this big, driver. It don't happen regularly.
It's still right up because fire is on 35 well down. You're like one of the storage tanks.
It's going to break up a lot of grass fires here real soon, drivers.
All these idiots back here with fixing to have a rain. What's up with all that smoke about?
Got something on fire right past the 31A exit.
I'm going to start traffic screwed up again. Dumbass can't stay in lane. Yeah, the only reason traffic's screwed up because everybody's stopping and taking damn pictures of it.
Yeah, well, I got video rolling right now.
Yeah, y'all take a video, take pictures, pull off to the damn side of the road. I got things to do.
Yeah, what I'm hearing is a tanker on fire.
Tanker on fire?
That's what I'm hearing. I'm about up on it right now. I'll take a peek here in a second.
I wish the hell these folks would quit looking and get the shit out of here. I got a combustible liquid on there.
Well, then, driver, you need to get up down in third gear and get on.
Shit, I'm gonna push their ass out of the way in a minute if they don't quit fucking around with me.
Alright, they're about to shut this highway down here real soon with all this dry grass we got going on. We got fire command just on scene right now. Fire command's on the scene.
What's on fire?
I'm hearing it's a tanker truck and we got a lot of grass.
With a tanker truck?
That's what I'm hearing. These damn trees are blocking my vision. I'm right up on the fire. I'm about 100 foot from it, but I can't see what's on fire.
Yeah, the way the smoke is, that's not grass fire.
No, that's fuel burning right there. That's got to be a tanker.
Yeah, as long as it ain't mine, but hell, he's all right.
Oh, there is a refinery around there, driver. There's a refinery around that corner.
It's not the refinery. I already passed the refinery.
Whatever it is, it's on the highway. That is a tanker. Yeah, it's got to. I wonder how the hell that tanker caught on fire.
It is a big truck, gentlemen.
I wonder if the driver's okay.
I hope he is.
410. Yeah, can't tell what company that is either. Yeah, a lot of people don't want to haul this shit.
Well, if he didn't make it out, he died pretty fast.
About 10 years. Hell, if he drives this more dangerous than the other one. Yeah, I ain't no way to tell who that is. Anybody know that 410?
Man, it's crackling.
Yeah, these partners don't have a clue what happened. They're guessing. You boys could move your ass and quit looking. You'll have one behind you. Are you letting any traffic through 410 south? Come on.
For right now, yeah.
Yeah, it's still moving south. Well, come on.
It's right there where the Bamsey was. Oh, man.
Yeah, we got patrol cars headed that way. Headed southbound right before that exit here.
What's the 20 is that plane, driver? What's the 20?
Like the northbound 31B. Northbound 31B is shut. It's crackling.
Alright, good. I guess I'm gonna go out to go visit the dam.
Ooh, it's hot, too.
And that's all it's gonna do is burn out. They got 14 blocks or what?
No, they got, they're hitting 410 north. They're diverting.
Yeah, the patrol cars are on the exit, 410 south. They on the exit. They ain't anybody